Looking for affordable and high-quality products on Shopee? We've compiled a list of best products under 50 ringgit across various categories. These products have been selected based on their popularity, positive reviews, and value for money. So let's start shopping. Best products under 50 ringgit.
Cool stuff.
Dirt and dust got you down? I've got something for you to turn that frown upside down. Introducing the Portable Dust Collector. With its 360-degree rotating nozzle, all kinds of dust and small debris can be easily sucked away. The 2-gear adjustable suction power makes cleaning a breeze. And with its low noise and non-disturbing design, you can clean up anytime, anywhere. The Portable Dust Collector, the perfect tool to keep your space clean and tidy. Are you tired of struggling to iron small, hard-to-reach areas of your clothes? Do you wish you had a more convenient compact iron that you can take with you on the go? Introducing the Mini Iron, the perfect solution for all your ironing needs. This compact iron is designed to easily fit into tight spaces and tackle those tricky wrinkles that other irons just can't reach. Thanks to its small size, the Mini Iron is perfect for travel. Despite its compact size, it still packs a powerful punch with its heating element that quickly heats up and effectively removes wrinkles from your clothes. So don't struggle with bulky, hard-to-use irons anymore. Get your hands on the Mini Iron and start enjoying hassle-free ironing today. Are your eyes constantly strained from dirty contact lenses? Not anymore. With the Geeso Ultrasonic Contact Lens Cleaner, its integrated design makes it easy to carry around anywhere you go. With the push of a button, you can start the 2-minute ultrasonic cleaning process. The package includes the contact lens cleaner, a tweezer stick, and a manual for easy operation. The Geeso Ultrasonic Contact Lens Cleaner. Small, easy to use, and effective. Perfect for eye care. Love the ambience and fragrance of candles, but hate the hassle of lighting them up? Meet the Candle Warmer Lamp. With its halogen lamp, it can melt scented candles and generate aroma without any harmful substance. With a simple one-button operation, you can adjust the temperature and light to create the perfect ambience. Just add your favorite scented candle and enjoy the warmth and fragrance. The Candle Warmer Lamp, your new favorite way to enjoy scented candles. Are you looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your crafty side? Look no further than our DIY miniature shop kit. This tiny little store is packed with charm and character, and it's the perfect way to bring your creative vision to life. With this kit, you'll have everything you need to build your own miniature shop. Do you spend your nights counting sheep? The Lion Piece Dark Sleep Lamp is here to help. Spank the bum to adjust 3 brightness levels, and there's an on-off switch at the bottom. It's so easy, anyone can do it. And with its warm light, it won't hurt your eyes and it's perfect for nighttime use. Made of soft, food-grade silicone, it's water and drop resistant and can be kneaded at will. The Lion Piece Dark Sleep Lamp, helping you get a good night's sleep. Are you constantly sweating and feeling flustered? The heat got you down? Introducing the Mini Neck Fan. This neck fan sends a cooling breeze without occupying your hands. Wingless design, it is safe for anyone to use. The hands-free design means you can wear it like a headphone and take it anywhere you like. And with its fashion-forward look, you'll stay cool and look cool. This fan can run up to 4 to 6 hours, depending on the speed you choose. And you can adjust the fan speed just with a press of a button. Don't let the heat get to you. Try the Mini Neck Fan today and always enjoy a refreshing breeze. Tired of slipping and sliding in your sneakers? Well, have no fear because the electric shoe dryer is here. With this electrifying device, you'll never have to deal with damp and smelly shoes again. This handy gadget uses a heated fan to remove moisture out of your shoes. It's the perfect solution for anyone who likes to put their best foot forward without having to deal with soggy socks and stinky shoes. So if you want to step up your shoe game, get the electric shoe dryer today. It's the best way to keep your feet warm and toasty. Thank you for watching our best products under 50 ringgit on Shopee review. We hope this video has helped you discover some amazing deals on the platform. And if you're interested in what we've just featured on this show, well, you're in luck. We've opened it, tested it, and now it needs a new home. Everything is going into a box to be given to one very lucky winner. Just drop a comment down below. Thank you, Shopee Malaysia, for always having cool things at great bargains. But remember, you will only be in the running if you comment on our YouTube video. More info in the description. Till the next one, happy shopping!